I think many of us will not remember. And it is not possible for everyone to remember health history for whole 70, 80 years. But you know the body is the same, and all the things which happens in the body has a repercussion for the future. And therefore, we need the health record continuously right from birth throughout the life, because that will help doctors also to understand my body better. I will know many of the things much better and can take many precautionary steps. Many of the preventive health care mechanism can be put in the place. But this all will happen only if we generate electronic health record.